Do you want to change how the goal net looks in eFootball, like the color or design? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change the goal net design and color in eFootball on Android so your game feels a bit more unique. Let's dive in. Launch the eFootball app on your Android device. After loading the game, tap on My Team. Look for the Custom Stadium option. Tap on Custom Stadium. Now tap on Customize. A menu will pop up. Now select Goal Net. After that, tap Net Design. Here you will see many net designs. Then select one that you prefer and tap Done. Now tap Net Color and select the color that you love to see. After customizing, tap Save. Set it as your default stadium. Now your custom goal net will appear during matches. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more eFootball tips and tricks. See you guys.